Hello, and welcome to this episode of Dorm Dishes. In this episode, we're going to be making a super easy, but super delicious, classic American breakfast. First, we're going to need some kind of pancake mix, or you can make yours from scratch. Next up, some bacon. Then some eggs. And finally, some syrup for the pancakes. Now let's begin. First, make sure you grease up your pan with butter or margarine. Second, pour some of your chosen pancake mix into the greased pan. Once the bottom edge of the pancake starts to brown, you can flip it over and cook the other side till it's golden brown. Next, crack your eggs into the pan over medium heat. Make them however you like. I personally enjoy mine sunny side up. Once the eggs are done, we can get started on the bacon. Grab as many slices as you like and gently place them into the pan. Cook them till they're as crispy as you like them. Finally, you can arrange everything on your plate, slather your pancakes with some syrup, and take a big bite and enjoy.